Hop into the 2019 Acura RDX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Who says you can't have it all? The RDX delivers performance, luxury, handling, and comfort, all in a crossover SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, power liftgate. See for yourself how luxurious high performance can be. Drive the RDX today.